Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch LED TV. Here actually the fault is backlight related issue. Here the backlight will work sometimes the backlight will not work. This is the fault. So these types of complaints are mainly due to shorting in any one of the LED in this LED strip. If we check this LED strip individual by using a LED checker, all LEDs will work, but while you measuring the voltage you can see a variation in the total output voltage. So this means that one of the LED strip is faulty one. See friends, while checking in the checker you can see a voltage variation. See, the voltage is not steady. You can see the voltage variation in the LED checker. So this is the reason for backlight not working issue in this TV. So instead of replacing the damaged one, here I am going to replace the entire LED strip with new one. This is the only solution. It's a minor shorting in LED causes this issue. If we check the LED strip using LED checker, all LEDs will work properly, but there is a minor shorting in one of the LEDs in this LED strip. Here you can see the voltage variation while checking with LED checker. So let us replace this all LED strip with new one to avoid future repetition in backlight related fault. See friends, finally here we now going to replace this all LED strip with new one. Here each individual LED is of 3 volt. See friends, now all LEDs are replaced and you can see now the LED voltage is stable. See friends. So now we can put the panel back to TV. See friends, finally here we fixed all sockets and panel properly. Now the TV is turned on. Here you can see the result. Now the picture comes and the backlight is working without any issues. So in this situation now we can put the back cover and all screws back to the TV. See friends, now the TV is repaired successfully and here you can see the result. Now to increase the lifetime of LED backlight, we need to enter into a service mode. The service mode code is input 2585. This is the service mode code, input 2585. In service mode, go to panel adjust. Here the backlight maximum value is 66, so we need to maintain the backlight value in between minimum 30% to maximum of 70%. So here the maximum value is 66% in default instead of 100. So I'm going to reduce it into 30% in between 30 to 40%. So the backlight value I adjusted to 35%. So that's it. Now everything is done and here you can see the result. So thank you for watching. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Here we also turn on the auto power on option.